Now let's look at a vertical translation graph. So y equals 2 to the x minus 4. This minus 4 impacts the vertical. There is nothing happening with the x, so there's no horizontal translation, and the vertical translation is 4 units down. That means our asymptote is at y equals -4. Our axial intercepts, so y-intercept is when x equals 0. So I have y equals 2 to the 0 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is -3. So 0, -3. And our x-intercept is when y equals 0. So 2 to the x minus 4 equals 0. 2 to the x equals 4. 2 to the x equals 2 squared. So that means x is 2. So we have 2, 0. So now we can go and graph. We'll start by putting that horizontal asymptote at y equals -4 in. Okay, so y equals -4. I'll label my axes while I'm here. 0, -3 is our y-intercept. Should use a ruler so you get your scale correct. 2, 0 is our x-intercept. Okay, so now I need to draw my graph. Now I do have a bit of a scale here. Now I have a problem when I've got a scale on my axes just drawing randomly. So what I am going to do is, because I've got this x equals 1 on my axes, I'm going to work out that point. Now I would normally do this in my head just so my graph is a little bit more accurate. So I know the graph needs to go through that point as well. It's just, yes, it's a sketch, but if I have a scale, it should be as accurate as I possibly can get it. On the left-hand side, I don't have a scale on my x-axis, so I'm not as worried. There you go, sketch in pencil. And we're done.